Thinking about applying for the HSBC World Elite Mastercard in Canada? Here's a quick and clear guide to help you get you started. First, check if you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to be 18 or older, a Canadian resident, and have a strong credit history. It also helps to have your income information address history ready. That makes the process smoother and faster. Next, head to the official HSBC Canada website and find the World Elite MasterCard page. Take a moment to Take a moment to review the key features like premium travel insurance, airport lounge, access to rewards, and everyday purchases, and no foreign transaction fees. When you're ready, click Apply Now. You'll fill in your personal details like name, address, date of birth, as well as your employment status and annual income. HSBC will begin with a soft credit check so your credit score won't be impacted. If you are approved in the soft check stage, you'll proceed with the full application, often getting an instant decision. If approved, your new card typically arrives by mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it's delivered, activate it online or through the HSBC mobile app. Then you're all set to earn rewards and enjoy exclusive World Elite benefits. And that's it. It's really simple, fast, and rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, please hit like, subscribe for more finance and travel tips, and drop a comment letting me know which card you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.